Assalamu alaikum viewers, we are in the ninth lectures of accounting cycle series. This is the English version. I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College, University, Faisalabad. I did postdoc from UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. I am attempting to give you a pictures of accounting cycle with one example. Certainly, accounting is not a difficult subject, and keep this thing in mind and learn accounting with one example. Look at it. We have already started this example, and we are now in the ninth lecture. This is the ninth lecture of financial accounting. We have already understand the journalization process and the ledgers of T account and then posting and trial balance, income statement and balance sheet. This is the phase 1 of complete accounting cycle. Look at it. We have already the trial balance in this way. We have already the accounts of assets account, liabilities accounts or owner equity accounts. So this is the trial balance we have already made in our previous examples. Just the trial balance convert into a balance sheet. Balance sheet in this form. Just you can write the cash here, inventory here, total current asset. First the current assets, then you can write the non-current assets. Cash is the first one, inventory is the second one. And then the total current office equipment, there is no order whatsoever. You can write the first and second one. The total non-current asset is there. Then there is a total asset. You just pick the totals entries from the you can say is trial balance and put here. Write the cash here. Cash is 5,40,000. Look at it. It is from previous entries. This is you can say 5,40,000. So you can just copy paste from 5,40,000 here. Inventory previously you can see inventory is 6 lakh. You can copy and then paste inventory is this. So these two are, you can say, is the total current asset. Then similarly, office equipment, van delivery, furniture, building, computer, and all these are the non-current assets. Then there is a total, grand total, that is 35,50,000. Again, on the other side, the liabilities and owner equity, you can pick for account payable. The balance of the account payable is there. Just copy this balance and then write account payable is here. Note payable is the balance of the note payable is a 5 lakh here. Just copy and paste this one here, that is the 5 lakh. Total liability is this. Owner capital is this one, and then the total liabilities and owner equity is also 35,50,000. Total assets is equal to total liabilities and owner equity. This is the balance sheet. So you can easily understand, convert the trial balance into a balance sheet. I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, giving you the complete accounting cycle with one example. Thank you so much.